welcome, guys. Hello, welcome, guys. اسمني. For the channel. Oh gosh. For the channel. How can I? Let's see, how do we? Yeah, I still recording. It was. Oh God. Yeah, I still recording. It was. Okay, there was a delay, but hello, assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, my name is Huda, and today I'm going to talk about a little bit. Give me a second. My back is killing me. Don't mind me. Anyway, hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Huda. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about how to learn coding and my journey. I'm gonna share with you my journey on picking a field and answering a couple questions and continuing from there. Number one, why do you wanna learn? Ask your question, why do you wanna learn? And number two, so number one is why you want to learn. Number two, what do you want to learn? And number three, so and one, why do you want to learn? What you want to learn? Where you want to learn? And let's see. So far, yeah, why you want to learn? And so, and how do you want to learn? So those four things I want to talk about and continue from there. So first of all, why do you want to learn coding? I personally wanted to learn coding because and the job has a flexibility. You can work from home, you can work anywhere in the world, and you can create new things and everyday learning. So I love learning, I love exploring, and so this field can provide you, with the excitement of learning new things. If you are a person who don't like to learn every day, don't ever choose this field, because you learn every time with technology improving, with everything going on. So learning is ongoing. Number two, so I and where do you want to, like, yeah, and what you want to learn. So what do you want to learn, and what languages you want to learn, and like what languages you want to learn, what platforms you want to learn in, and those are some things that you want to consider. And third, where do you want to learn? Do you want to learn on your own? And there's a lot of free resources that you can learn how to code, from JavaScript to HTML, Python, and many things. And that's the language is what you want to choose, what kind of language you want to learn. And that's one thing. And so, and where do you want to learn? Do you want to learn online? Do you want to learn in person? Do you want to learn in boot camps? There's many options that you can learn. You can learn from, there is a free website that you can watch, freecoding.com, something like that. You can learn coding on your own time, and you have to invest a lot of time in it. Personally, I tried it. It was really hard for me to focus on doing it on my own. I'm a person who likes to, and what is it called? Who likes to learn with many, with the instructor or somebody guiding me along the way. So that's something you want to consider. And what else? Yeah, I covered why and how. Yeah, how you want to learn and everything. So basically, those are the things that you want to learn. So after figuring out that, so you gotta choose your first language. What language you want to learn? Coding. And there is easy languages. Basically, it depends on you, to be honest with you, and how your mind is open. I started. Give me a second. Usually goes up and down. Anyway, so choosing your first language, what language you want to learn first, and implement on that. So first, when I was starting, I took one course, about $100. That's what it cost. Chico.com, was it She Code Academy or something like that? Shecode.com. I will be putting in the description below. And I learned JavaScript, I learned CSS, HTML. Those are the things that I learned. I don't know what to do with it. The beginning I didn't know, because it's like you have a lot of parts. You have no instructions. Like, I learned that, and I didn't know what to do with it. So I learned. It's like I have many parts, and I have partially instructions, and the other part I don't know what is going on. So I learned that language. It was fun creating weather report, creating a function, like a website that when you touch it, it takes you somewhere else, or image pops. It's really amazing. So I would definitely encourage you to learn with people, find somebody to learn with. And second, learn resources. So learn code has never been easy. You can choose very resources, online instruction, profiles, and even boot camps, like I said before. And you can choose like coding academy, and different resources. I personally went to the university, and I'm studying. The reason why I chose the university was because I want to get a degree, because I am first generation and in my family, and I wanted to get the degree. And second of all, I am financially muskin. So basically, I got no money. So financially, it covered that as some of the portion of my education, and I wanted to get the degree too. So you can go to college. There is and like many the other resources, like for example, the boot camps they have, and some boot camps they say you can pay after finding a job. That's really good, for people. And to be honest with you, I didn't trust myself. So I'd rather pay up in front. And the second thing is, and there is benefit on learning in person and online. I the online version, like, it's easier. You don't have to go drive and everything. I have classes that I have taken online on my own, but you have to be self motivated to do your homework. So I took hybrid classes in the university that the instructor and guided me along the line and telling me what to do, and like the instructions, and I have certain time set, and I can go and do the homework. And also, you gotta practice. The power of practicing, it's really good. You gotta practice what you learn. In coding, if you don't practice, you lose it. So it's very crucial for you to practice and learn. And like I said, you gotta join in a community coding. I am working on that part. I personally trying to get to know how GitHub and Discover and Twitch working. It's so weird. Like those things, they work like it's another alien thing. So find a community to code in the school. Join the clubs. There is a clubs if you are in school. If you are, what is it called, and learn on your own, I would say find open source. I'm still struggling. Where is the open source? That's the thing. You look open sources, find some problems, help with people. That will help you improve your portfolio to get a job. I would say embrace the challenges. Coding is not always like walk in a park. So, but it's beautiful. It's challenging, opportunity to grow, and don't be afraid of difficulty, problems. Each situation you can find a way, find a way to make it better, and yeah, and I think those are the things that you want. Also, you can ask questions and find people who are already in the field and ask them questions. I have one of my friends. I reach out to him and ask him a couple of questions. I'm working right now on a project, and I'm creating in a project AI app that helps to like track your workouts, and not workout but track your weights and stuff, and then recommend you some diet and also workouts. And I also want to add some things to each, but and also I'm using ChatGPT and on how to, what is it called, how to put a plans and everything. I'm still working on those things, and school will be starting next week for me. But guys, all you and all you need is practice, learn, embrace challenges, and that's all. And all that you have it, folks. Learning coding is a journey, and a journey that opens up opportunity and in the world. And consider to, yeah, open source project and having fun coding. And coding, it's skills worth even every bit. And so while you're waiting, while you're sitting around, grab your laptop and choose the language you want it, and learn, embrace it, and excite adventure of learn and coding. And remember, the digital landscape is considered evolutionary. So yeah, and being coding puts you in the right and front foot. And thank you for tuning in, and happy coding.